You know when your Italian comes out in short, broken sentences and you feel like a child speaking to adults? So in this video I'm going to show you 5 tiny connectors that fix that with clear before and after examples you can steal today. Coming up, cioè, anzi, invece, perciò and comunque. Let's start with cioè. English speakers either repeat themselves with no connector or they use like as a filler. In Italian, cioè covers both. It clarifies what you mean. Non capisco questa parte, è troppo veloce. Non capisco questa parte, cioè è troppo veloce. And it also works as a tiny pause when you think. Era strano, non so, non capivo. Era strano, cioè non capivo. Cioè helps you sound clearer, but if you don't need clarity and you need to correct what you just said, then you need the next one. Anzi. In English you rely on actually, but you use it everywhere. In Italian, anzi is much sharper. You use it when you correct yourself. Non è male, mi piace. Non è male, anzi, mi piace. Or when you want to make the idea stronger. Non voglio uscire, sono stanco. Non voglio uscire. Anzi, sono stanco. Anzi is perfect when you correct or strengthen what you say, but if you are not correcting and you just want to show a different option, English speakers overuse but for everything, contrast, preference, surprise. In Italian, invece, is your clean, neutral contrast. It shows difference without sounding too dramatic. Io cucino, tu guardi la TV. Io cucino, tu invece guardi la TV. Lei vuole restare a casa, io voglio uscire. Lei vuole restare a casa, io invece voglio uscire. Invece gives you a clear contrast, but sometimes you don't want this versus that. You want this, therefore that. For that, you need perciò. So, in English does everything. Filler, hesitation, consequence. Perciò, in Italian, only does one job. Consequence. It makes your Italian tighter and more intentional. Sono stanco, vado a letto. Sono stanco, perciò vado a letto. Non ho tempo, facciamo domani. Non ho tempo, perciò facciamo domani. Perciò works when your idea has a clear reason and result, but real conversations don't always follow that neat logic. When the mood shifts and you still want to keep going, you are going to use comunque. English speakers either say anyway or they freeze completely. Comunque serves two main purposes. Lets you soften disagreement. Non sono d'accordo, capisco il tuo punto. Non sono d'accordo, comunque capisco il tuo punto. Or keep the conversation moving, changing direction gently. Or keep the conversation moving, change direction gently. Non ho studiato molto, oggi vengo lo stesso. Non ho studiato molto, comunque oggi vengo lo stesso. Use one connector per day and your Italian will stop sounding like a child. Now, I have said a lot, but if you really want to learn Italian fast, if learning Italian feels like a struggle, watch this video next and remember, stick to Italian and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!